Oke, selamat pagi semuanya. Jadi kali ini kita udah bangun pagi nih, terus kita mau jalan-jalan. Nah, karena ingin praktik bahasa Inggris tapi sendirian, jadi ngomong sendiri lagi deh. Dan untuk kali ini saya akan membahas tentang 5 hal yang harus kita lakukan setelah bangun pagi supaya kita lebih oke. Lanjut, langsung kita mulai. Oke, good morning everybody. Uh, how are you? I hope you good, you're healthy, and you better than yesterday. And today or in this morning, I just want to talk about something that we have to do in the morning after we wake up. And of course, uh, this thing is not too hard to do, but we need a lot of effort to do this because we have to wake up in the morning. But I'm sorry, I don't I don't show my face because I want to you to see my feet right now. Because it's important is I can speak English and you can uh, watch this video and then you can follow this method in order if you want to become like native speaker when you speak. So of course we continue about the topic that I want to share to all of you here if you watch this video. Okay, the first thing you can do in the morning when you wake up is uh, drink glass of water, right? Because after we sleep for 8 hours, of course our body is uh, hydrate, right? So we have to give our body hydrate in order uh, we can get a new energy. So of course Andrew Huberman podcast, of course he has a lot of topic about uh, what we want to do in the morning, and he said that we have to drink glass of water in the morning, and you can add salt also in order we can be more healthy. And I think that it's really good when we do that. And uh, you know I am now just now I I have drunk water, and I think that make me feel like get new energy to do this in the morning. Okay, continue. Talk about second thing is uh, we can do in the morning is do exercise. Yeah, exercise is a very important things we can do in the morning. Maybe like we just walking or we can running, something like that. It's important is our body move. Yeah, our body is move in order our blood can be uh, our blood. Yeah, our blood can be health movement. Yeah, movement to make our body good movement. Maybe if we don't have a lot of time, perhaps you are a worker at the office and then you just have time maybe 20 minutes, so you can use that time 20 minutes for exercise. Yeah, just like walking in the morning and then running. Yeah, it's not too far, but maybe just need uh, 20 meters or 100 meters. You can running or you just walking like what I do now. Yeah, I'm walking because I want to more healthy. Yeah, because I get a lot of benefit from this. And next thing you can do in the morning is after you exercise, yeah, after you walking, you're running, so you can eat, yeah, you can eat healthy breakfast. Yeah, maybe because breakfast is important also for us, yeah, to make, to boost our energy, to get new energy in order we spirit to do something what we want to do, like we may, perhaps we as a worker, so of course we can breakfast in the morning, healthy breakfast, and then we continue go to work. And then uh, the four things we can do is plan your day. Yeah, it's important because uh, there's a lot of book that I've read is plan our day is the essential thing that we can do before we start to do our activity. Yeah, perhaps you as a worker, perhaps you as a student, because you need to plan your day. Because without your plan your day, you don't know what you can do. And of course, to plan our day is so simple. We just need to write down the thing that we want to do. Maybe the entire day, so we can know what our target today. So of course, we have to plan our day. Maybe just write the thing that we want to do, maybe five or three things, so we can list. And then after we list that, so of course we have some tasks that we should do, we should finish in order we know our progress, right? So of course, if you want to get better result, you have to make plan what you want to do in the morning, and this is affect our entire day, because in the morning when we have write down, of course we will know uh, what our job, what our task to do. The last thing that we can do is gratitude. Yeah, gratitude is very important thing that we can do in the morning. Yeah, like maybe we have uh, we have done a lot of things, like we wake up in the morning, we drink glass of water, and then we exercise, and we breakfast, and we have planned our days, and of course to get all of these things make us feel good is we have to gratitude or grateful to do that, because we still can do that, so we can and you know, the positive impact of gratitude is make us happy, make us feel of course make us feel like this word is good, so we can say something like that. We just how to gratitude is just imagine, just say everything what you have, everything what you have done, just grateful for that, because it's important. So of course, I think that in this video enough, yeah, to practice speaking in English. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you can uh, follow this method in your home if you want to practice speaking in English. And then don't forget to like this video and subscribe in order we can connect to the next level. And thank you. See you tomorrow.